How to fix League of Legends not opening. Let me head over to one of the article which is gonna guide you with the step-by-step process on how you can fix this issue. So this is one of the article which is gonna help you out. In here, scroll down and the very first step you can see, it says try to restart your computer. Most of the time, restarting the device has fixed the issue. Once you've restarted the device, the next thing you want to do is launch League of Legends from the installation folder. Sometimes, the issue preventing League of Legends from opening might stem from a corrupted shortcut icon. While it might seem minor, a malfunctioning shortcut can fail to initiate the game. To circumvent this, consider sidelining the potential faculty desktop shortcut, either by deleting it or simply moving it elsewhere. Next, navigate directly to the game's installation directory. There you'll find the League client executive file. Launching the game directly from the application bypasses the shortcut and can often sidestep the issue entirely. Now the next thing you want to try doing is you have to close League of Legends running application. Also, you can minimize the background processes. The very first thing you want to do is to right-click the taskbar and then select Task Manager. Look for and close any active League of Legends processes which are known to occasionally conflict with the game. After that, navigate to the Startup tab and disable non-critical applications to ensure they don't automatically run upon startup. And after that, try opening the game through the League client after closing the Task Manager. If not, you can also try updating the game client. After that, you will be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix League of Legends not opening. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.